All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. How are you doing? I hope all is well with you. So, happy new week to you. We are here again because there's a post that Dr. Agi made that I want to react on. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. So, this post has to do with lawyer, the American lawyer, and contribution to PM legal work or legal team or whatever they call that. First and first, I am not against you contributing money or donating money for anything that has to do with PM for his release, anything. I'm not here to tell you, no, don't donate money to anybody because of PM. As long as the person says that it's for PM, it's up to you to donate money. It's up to you not to donate money. But one thing I want to draw your attention to is the person's personality, like the person that requested for that money, his personality or her personality. What the person have done, what the person is known for, is actually what I want you to pay close attention to. But at the end of the day, you have right to make your choice, not me making choice for you. Are we good on that? Fine. Dr. Agi is somebody that many of you know about. You know her, and some of you have issue with her. Some of you, appreciate her. But current concern, one thing is for sure: PM appeal case and his lawyers, and both in domestic or internal one, because they have a lawyer from Finland and the one from America. They claim they are the one in charge of everything. All right, and I have seen DPM. I've watched her many times saying that it is up to PM to make choice. Although there are some people that are having some side talk about why is he not hiring a lawyer? What is USB government doing to support his legal team or his court case? But the thing is that people claim that they are the one in charge of everything. Without them, you can't see PM, according to them. I'm not here to justify that USB government should not do anything. What I'm trying to say is that some people don't want to drag anything with anybody. Some don't see it as anything. They can go on and drag whatever they want to drag. Because remember, PM had his first trial where they actually sentenced him 6 years, right? Who was in charge of that trial, and what became of the results of that trial? Who are those that was in charge? Are they still the same people? Are they still the same people? If yes, why? What have you done in the first trial that people should pay you attention in this recent one? Few weeks ago, if not last week, DPM said something again that anybody that was involved in the first trial shouldn't be involved in the second one. I don't know what is going on internally, like in Finland. I don't know. I cannot come here and begin to claim what I'm not sure of. I don't know if the person that was in charge of the first one are still the same people. When I said a person, I'm talking about the lawyer that was in charge of PM court case before they sentenced him 6 years. Is it still the same people that are going to be in charge of his appeal? If yes, then I am afraid. I can assure you that the Mama Dabo was part of them before, and he's still there now. I also can assure you that Marina, the person they called ex-wife of PM, was involved in the first trial, and she's still in now in the appeal. They are telling you now that Ngozi, because that's what is trending from their camp, that Ngozi and USB government are praying and working hard for PM not to win the court case and for PM to be repatriated home. We have asked evidence. We have asked these people to come out and prove it. And let me announce to you, for those of you who say that Ngozi is not getting it right. She's this, she's that. Rose made a request and said, prove it with 2,000 pounds. You received, prove it and receive 2,000 pounds. He mentioned, he gave you options, what you must prove, what you must provide. And if your proof serve right, you receive 2,000 pounds. Our brother Ezinwefe added $1,000 to that. So for you just to come up now and clear air with proof, with facts and figures, not by insulting and making unhealthy arguments. You need to come out publicly and put it out there. People will not see it and say, okay, truly, what you said is what it is. What you said is exactly what is going on. But if not, I would advise you to shade your sword. Yeah, shade your sword, because you cannot win this kind of argument with insult. No. Now we are here. We are here this morning. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up. All right, because that's the way to go. Now I have this post from Dr. Aggie, and we are going to go through it without wasting much time. She said today's date is Sunday, April 12, 2026. Update: Biafrans and supporters. Latest from Briggs PM Simon Ekpa's American International Attorney Joseph Chemist. Official notification sent to Finnish Minister of Foreign Affairs. First, confirms legal representation of PM Simon Ekpa. 2, documents submitted in English and Finnish. 3, shared by Dr. Bryson Okoma Briggy. You are seeing Briggy, right? Okay. You come down here, you said, Anthony Joseph Chemist, actions remain exemplary and demonstrate continued commitment commitment to the legal process. Support PM Simon Ekpa legal defense. Now pay attention. The website to donate for this legal defense is here, ipbus.org/support. Click contribute for legal work. Okay. Then the reason why I'm presenting this is very simple. The lawyer was hired by Imam Madabu, because everybody, they are all claiming to be Briggy and this and that. Remember the first 4 back, and they are now dragging who is in charge of Briggy, who is not in charge of Briggy. I am not here to tell you who is in charge, because you yourself watching, listening, if you are truthful to yourself, you know who and where Briggy is. After presenting the lawyers and everything, like you can see here, she talked about Briggy here. She talked about Bryson Okoma, who was also a member of the fake Briggy of Imam Madabo, and she mentioned letters from Briggy's prime ministers, attorney, American prime ministers, American international attorney, and all that. She mentioned Briggy and Simon Ekpa. Mean that to her, this group is where PM Simon Ekpa belongs to. But the question remains, after knowing all this in here, you want people to know that PM is here and this is where people should be. Then you go out and form another group called PUC. He said PUC remains committed to support Briggy's effort. My question is, why don't you join the Briggy if you are sure that this Briggy is the right place to be? If you know that Imam Madab is getting it right, their group is the same, and everything is in line with what Briggy wants. My question to you is, why then going out forming another group when you already know that this is where PM is, this is what it should be, and what have you? You made it clear to everybody that the lawyer signed or contracted by, quote unquote, in your own words, your original Briggy. And that is where you are telling the entire world that PM belongs to. and you made it clear to us that you actually care about this big PM, you understand the PM, and you agree to what PM agrees, then why are you forming PUC since the other group is actually 100% right? They are getting it right and everything. Why PUC? I'm just asking. She said she put even fire that power, they're strong and all that. You know what that means? He said PUC remains committed to remain committed to supporting Briggy's effort toward securing the freedom of PM Samonekpa. Thank you so much. Okay. She says signed President Dr. Aggie, President AG, bracket Dr. Aggie, from PM's Unshakable Circle in PUC. Hey God, you know why I'm laughing? Why I'm laughing is very simple. Let us just break it down a little bit. So maybe you understand what the whole thing is all about. You came out and said that the attorney, from America is representing PM, and you are in support of that. Okay, no problem. We are all in support of that. Then you continued by saying that this attorney must be supported. You made it clear by saying that PM belonged to Briggy. He belonged to Briggy. That is why you called him here and said PM Briggy Prime Minister. Let me show you again so that people will not misquote me. Here, read this. Letters from Briggy's PM Samonekpa. Samonekpa's American international lawyer automatically means that PM is PM of Briggy and Briggy is PM and the lawyer is for PM and people hire the lawyer are Briggy. Everything in one, okay? And you mention the lawyer's name, everything here, and you mention the achievement of this Briggy, okay? This is your Briggy. You mention the achievement so far and the plan on how to, release PM and work towards it and everything. That is superb. Then again, you said here, support PM EPA's legal defense. Support it under Briggy or under PUC? Which of them? Now, I know the idea that you are trying to put here, that you are in support of them and you are outside working, sourcing for help to carry the money and give the Briggy that are getting it right? Now, if that is the case, are you trying to imply that people will not contribute to this Briggy of Mama Dabo because they are somehow there's a kind of controversy around the group? That's why you have to create another group to source for money. I'm not trying to make excuses for you, because if truly you agree and you are in line with what PM actually want, according to what you are saying here and what you have been saying, why going out to create PUC? And you create this PUC as a separate body. I remember when I mentioned that you guys are now working with Mama Dabo. Some of you, I don't want to call them, called me and started warning me that I should not lie, that you are not working with the Mama Dabo, that you actually for anybody that is doing something to release PM. Then my question to you is, from your heart of hearts, are you telling me, can you beat your chest and say, truly, this is a Mama Dabo group, are the only person and only group doing something for PM to be released? Is that what I'm telling me? I am of opinion that USB government should also step up no matter what, and of course, do something to PM appeal case. Why am I saying that? Because I don't know what is going on there. I don't know what they're doing. Not that they're not doing something, but it is not revealed to me. And maybe because that's my own take, I felt that they don't want to put it out there simply because of sabotage. And the more we are showcasing what we are doing, you're actually telling the people that hold PM to know your strategy and what you're doing. Unlike what you guys, especially Mazakwa, is doing. Every now and then he will come out and begin to talk and claim and start claiming what is not in existence, as if that thing actually exists. Just to, I don't know. And one more question. Since you have hired this lawyer, this attorney, how many attorney are you guys sourcing money for? You should come out and let people to know before you even start demanding money. You have the attorney you claim that is going to do wonders. No, we pray, because my number one prayer is that PM should come out. PM will come out. That's my number one prayer. Not only that, I also want PM to come out in a good condition, because coming out is different from coming out in a good condition. He may come out and be restricted, but coming out with everything that is what I'm looking up to. But the way you guys, I'm looking forward to that, rather. The way you guys are putting this thing makes it more difficult for people to understand what you actually want. PM's unshakable circle said that they don't know anything about him, they don't belong to any group. But your campaign is to support a group. That is why I felt like something is wrong, because I hate when somebody is trying to lie or pretending to be what he or she is not. I'm going to end it here. Please let me know what you think. What is your take about this? What Dr. Aggie is saying and what she stands on. Because she believes that she's her group. She created a group. And from the right up here, I can categorically tell you that she is the leader or chairman or president of PUC. Okay? Makadia Mama. I'm going to end it here. Please make sure you like the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.